Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh guys. Selamat pagi semuanya guys ya. Selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat sore, selamat malam buat kalian semua yang nonton live ataupun replay ya guys ya. Balik lagi di live kali ini menuju Mythic ya. Dikit lagi Mythic gue ya. Gue pengen beli Starlight dah. Ini sampai level berapa sih? Buset, sampai 60 ya. Beli kah ini kah? Gue udah ada kartunya sih. Ini apa yang gila ya?
Weaving through time's threads.
Gila, Starlight 2018 bro. Gue pengen beli tapi takutnya kagak ini sih, kagak mentok level gue nanti. Paintednya level berapa ini? 40 ya. Beli kali ya guys ya. Kalau Starlight Plus ini dapatnya apa aja ya? Bedanya apa ya? Sama SL yang biasa bro. Premium. Nanti aja lah.
When I take a
Your team is banning. Please ban a hero. Your team is picking.
Apa nih yang lepas nih? Elis lepas Elis. Sun lepas, ISS lepas, Marcel juga lepas bro.
They call me a hero because I saved my nation from falling apart.
I am more than a weapon.
The night sky tells all.
Kita apa ya? Xavier kah? Udah lama kita nggak Xavier kok.
This time, the choice is mine.
Let me tell you some basics of science. Your team is picking.
The Immortal One chose me to vanquish the shadows that plague this world.
Sniper ready. Give me a target.
The enemy is picking.
Jaminan late game. Julian samping kah Julian?
I see lots of prey.
Dia fleksibel banget ya. ISS bisa di Godland. Roger juga bisa di Godland. Kayaknya sih ISS yang di Godland. Bener gak? ISS kan Godland kan? Julian pakai Inspire bro. Goddamn, udah lama gak pakai Sapphire.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. Initiate retreat. All troops deployed. Understood.
Light. I will show some light.
Request backup.
Hierarchy. Just a bunch of
Semoga nggak sabun ya.
heretics. How daring of them to utter that word.
Langsung first blood tuh, lihat atas juga tuh.
Come closer.
One day, you'll stop searching from within. No disgust through my eyes.
Mati dia, yellow itu loh.
Enemy reach level 4.
Confirm.
Perfect shot.
Request
turtle nih, serius. Perfect shot. God damn. Dia kenapa nggak mau turtle ya? Objektif aja bro. Nggak kenal lagi.
Mythic magic. Funny how they label things they don't understand. Magic.
Crumble into dust.
They will atone for what they did, one way or another.
Request backup. Understood.
Light forever shines upon the world.
Gue malah lewat polos banget ya. Ngeri ada Harley ya.
Ravens. How obnoxious.
Nggak mati lagi dia. Nice, nafsu dia nafsu. Dia ada di biru kan? Dapat nggak? Nggak dapat ya. Perlukah kita bikin glowing nih bro?
One day, you'll stop searching for someone to blame. Tough enemies, I don't fear. Confront.
Nice. Tapi udah ulti ya. Targeting, nice. Targeting. Targetnya mana woi? Nah, itu loh. Sapek. Gelo. Ngapain dia bro? Fail ya si ini fail itu. Siapa namanya Harley-nya udah fail itu dia. Nggak tenang guys.
Meet your fate.
Lewat mati nih dia nih.
Just a bunch of hypocrites.
Initiate retreat. Epic outplay. Legendary.
No disguise can fool me. Come from.
Bawah nggak sih dia? Gasnya bro.
Struggle is meaningless. Come from. Not even close.
Watch out for the jungle. Watch out for the jungle.
Light forever shines upon my work. Light shows no mercy. Didn't even break a sweat. Come closer. Come close.
Gasin bro.
Come close.
Ada Harley.
Your team destroyed it.
Banyak. Mantap semua. Ini mati kena tower. GG. Bisa belum kan bro? Yang bener aja tuh. Berapa hit lagi tuh? Sampai.
The show continues.
Ini nggak ada yang biru deh.
Meet your fate.
Request backup. Request backup.
Ngapain beliau? Jujuran tuh Akai, ngapain di atas tuh Akai? Aduh, salah saya. Nah, kagak mati. Gila, dia udah minta inspire itu. Wah, lihat syarat ya. Kenapa kagak bisa dipenuh-penuh ya? Udah load tuh.
Again. Confirm. I'll come up.
Killing spree. Request backup.
Kan aja nggak sih fokusin bro?
Request backup. Kill. Mega kill.
They will atone for what they did.
Udah, kan aja. Udah Mythic kan ya? Saatnya kita grinding. Gila, WS bro 5 kali. Grinding. Grading.
Please ban a hero. Is banning.
Wah, glue lepas kah glue?
The enemy is picking.
Will find a way, even when all is forlorn.
Crowned by heaven's mandate, my reign shall endure.
Looking for trouble? Ask my fist first.
Sanjo.
Your team is picking.
I am sovereign of the abyss, the slayer of gods.
And I will prove myself, no matter what.
Like a blizzard, we march on.
The immortal one chose me to vanquish the shadows that plague this world.
Ditabrak-tabrak ini sama gua.
The night sky tells all.
Apa itu dia? Sorry kalau apa itu?
Welcome to Mobile Legends! Request back 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Berat sih guys, sumpah guys.
This
Jujur ya.
fits my ambition.
Rule with strength and conviction. Blossom with grace and compassion.
Imperial Phoenix! Push hard! Understood.
Your sentence is death. My strategy spans centuries for those I silently guard.
Imperial Phoenix! Launch attack!
Nafsu bet, nafsu.
Initiate retreat! Understood. Imperial Phoenix! Request backup! Okay. Launch attack! Gather up the turtle! Witness the round of the Imperial Phoenix!
Gak bisa gak sih bro?
No rescue from my wrath! Sorry. Don't give up. Let's run
Gas ini. Dia BKP cepet banget bro.
kneel before your empress. Divine will.
BKP cepet banget dia.
A young empress must rest to rule wisely.
Cowok damage ya.
Understood. Ult is ready. The Phoenix Ray! Brilliant control! That was amazing! Insolence. My wrath shall not okay. Ult is not ready.
Bujet.
From actress to empress, my reserve is insane. No rescue from my wrath!
Tulung. Nah, terus lagi.
Gather up the turtle!
Like the burnt peony, I emerge from the ashes.
Iya, mantap.
Hang in there. My crown gleams not with heavenly light, but with the faith of my people.
Understood.
With each step, I pave a path untrodden, forging a legacy that shall echo through the ages.
Your team destroyed the turret.
My legacy, be it glory or infamy, or for history to decide. My crown gleams not with heavenly light, but with the faith of my
Ini
people.
bro,
Imperial Phoenix! The Phoenix reigns! Understood. Superb tacking!
di kalamahan nabi kan?
Amazing! Enemy battle spell on CD. Ult is not ready. Initiate retreat. Understood.
Kalah sama nabi kata dia.
The throne beckons.
Gila juga nabinya ya. Lo udah sekarat tadi lo.
Understood.
Rule with strength and conviction. Blossom with strength and compassion.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
At times I lay awake at night, flooded with memories of destiny.
No rescue from my wrath. Superb control. Superb control. Great play.
Another dance. Plucked from the fire.
The Phoenix reigns. Imperial Phoenix.
The throne is but a symbol.
MM banyak news
My
ya, biarin aja sih bro.
transcends headcourt squabbles.
Langsung masuk dia. Terlalu panik.
Imperial Phoenix.
With each step, I pave a path untrodden, forging a legacy
Retri. Boleh juga midnya tuh lihat.
From ashes to empress, my rebirth is eternal.
Gather up the Lord! Understood. Witness the wrath of the Imperial Phoenix! Enemy battle spell on CD.
The throne beckons its rightful master.
Launch attack.
Mending gue dorong bawah nggak sih bro?
Understood.
My legacy, be it glory or infamy, is for the
Gather up the Lord! The Phoenix Ray!
Wup. Gelo MM-nya bro. Gadem.
Imperial Phoenix!
Ayo, gak mati dia loh. Cowoknya ini cowok denis ya. Tuh, jadi nggak sakit apa nggak tebel cowoknya bro.
Gather up the Lord!
Like the burnt peony, I emerge from the
Gather up the
ashes.
Lord! Okay. Kneel before you. Kneel before my God.
Aduh, retri kandang coy.
That was amazing.
Mundur ada Lord bro. Ya Lord, mundur.
From ashes to empress, my rebirth is eternal.
Divine will.
With each step, I pay the path untrodden, forging a legacy that will echo through the ages.
Imperial Phoenix. Imperial Phoenix.
The throne is but a symbol. My right to rule transcends petty court
Gue
squabbles.
nggak ada ulti bro.
Imperial Phoenix. No justice for my God. Superb control. That was amazing.
Equipment full.
Imperial Phoenix!
My strategy stands
Gather up the Lord!
for those I silently guard.
Gather up the Lord! Understood. Gather up the Imperial Phoenix!
My crown gleams not with heavenly light, but with the faith of my people.
Gather up the Lord! Understood. Imperial Phoenix!
Your sentence is death.
Initiate retreat! Understood. The Phoenix Ray! Brilliant control!
Gatgame. Satu tukar dua lumayan lah. Ya Allah Robin, Dumaret le. Nah, miss lagi. Udah Indomaret, miss pula. Dia berapa kali nggak dapet Lord, bro? Damage paling besar gua loh. Enggak ada si Esme. Ini bedanya apa ya guys ya? Starlight yang ini premium. Bedanya Starlight premium sama biasa apa ya guys ya? Gue pengen beli si Zetian bro, cuma takutnya rugi aja gitu. Plus oh ini dia nih Starlight Plus ini. Ya udahlah kita beli ya guys ya. Ini dia Zetian, aktifkan. Apa ini? Konfirmasi. Oke. Ini berapa hari nih guys? Permanen kah? Oh, selama membership doang. Gelo, langsung saja nggak sih? Langsung saja, ini dia Starlight Zetian. Starlight Zetian,
Crowned by heaven's mandate, my legacy shall endure.
Bagusan bulan depan bang, gitu ya terus tiap ada Starlight bro.
Crowned by heaven's mandate, my legacy
ya,
shall endure.
Paintednya ya skin ituan. Dapat banyak guys. Ini baru pertama kali gua aktifin ini ya. Ini gue dapat dari sini nih. Ini bisa beli kah guys? Beli apa ya? Gold kah? Gold?
through time's thread.
Oke, bagusan Gord gak sih guys? Gord atau carry? Gua antara Gord atau ini sih. Gord kah? Angela udah ada bu, Gordnya dah. Lo langsung dapat 2 ya.
It ain't just a game. You got.
Sisanya nanti dah. Gue pengen beli yang 2018 sih, gokil. Udah sisanya nanti aja lah. Ini apa nih? Oh ini Starlight yang sebelumnya ya. Bisa beli Sapphire bro. Sapphire atau beli Angela nanti ya? Buat nanti aja lah guys ya. Gue pengen beli Sapphire sih. Tapi 200 lagi ya. 18 hari bro. Gokil, bisa langsung dapat 2 ya. Sapphire atau Angela? Angela gue udah punya sih.
Reading through time's thread. I hope to find its random.
Angela emang gokil banget sih.
Reading through time's thread.
Sapphire nggak sih? Sapphire kita beli. Gelo, Sapphire, Starlight bro.
This time, the choice is mine.
Dapat berapa skin gue nih? Cuma beli sekali doang gue. Lanjut. Ini apa nih? Ini apa guys? Oh interaktif ya. Biar adil ya, 333 ya. Tadi yang tadi buat apa guys? Mana guys tadi guys? Eksklusif.
Legendary.
Gelo. Ini udah otomatis gak sih? Tombol-tombol ini udah otomatis kan? Lanjut. Oh ya bisa beli skin Mythic lagi ya. Ini apa nih skin baru? Gua vote Valentina sih. Cara vote-nya gimana guys? Ini dia. Valentina gak sih guys? Magic. Mage. Gelo, Starlight member bro. Goddamn. Memang gak bakalan dapet ya dari sini ya. Oh langsung dapat 300 inian ya, gue lupa. Kalau beli Starlight dapat 300 COA kan. Gini ya rasanya punya skin bagus guys.
Please ban a hero. Your team is banning.
Oi, Marshall dilepas. Banyak nih yang lepas nih.
Your team is
Feeling gue bener banyak yang kelepas nih. Marcel Sundi Ben ya. Siapa aja bro yang lepas bro?
Sancho.
the enemy is picking.
Marcel Amon ya, Marcel Amon Freya. Marcel Amon Freya lah bilang.
Ready, go!
Kita langsung coba skin baru nggak sih guys?
Crowned by heaven's mandate, my legacy shall endure.
Langsung saja kita coba. Combo kah John, combo John.
May you find tranquility in battle.
Enemy is picking.
Combo kah John?
Uchiha no Kamen wa sono hokori takaku izuku no Makasih de mo aru nda yo.
Sylvana lagi ya itu.
I am a daughter of Northern Vale. I swear to protect it till my last breath.
I'm bound by nothing, be it
The
family
enemy
or
is
destiny.
picking.
They call me a hero because I saved my nation from falling apart.
Nah, Star Wars nggak ini ya?
Request the battlefield. Let's go all out.
Starlight nggak apa namanya, nggak goyang ya bordernya.
This world alone befits my ambition. The throne is but a symbol. My right to rule.
Gelo, sebenarnya skinnya tipis sih. Efek-efek skinnya tipis banget, bro.
Divine will.
Your sentence is death.
We're ahead in gold.
Answer for your transgression.
Initiate retreat.
Hey, the enemy's missing!
Initiate retreat.
Rule with strength and conviction. Blossom with grace and
Nggak ada flicker ya. Ya Juliana kenyang dong.
kneel before your emperor.
Gather up the turtle.
Kalah kah nabinya, bro?
My will shall not be challenged. Divine will. Imperial will. Your death is death.
Initiate retreat. Oh, is not ready.
Divine will. Imperial Phoenix. My crown gleams not with heavenly light, but with the faith of my people. My legacy, be it glory or infamy, is for history to decide. No refuge from my wrath!
Initiation. Well played.
Imperial Phoenix! Divine will! Imperial Phoenix! Divine will!
Gila, bullshitnya jago guys, jago bullshitnya bro. God damn.
From ashes to empress,
Hanabinya makin fire ya.
is eternal.
Pantesan sakit banget bro.
Oh, is not ready.
Imperial Phoenix! My legacy, be it glory or infamy, is for sisters to decide.
The Phoenix reigns! Divine will!
Wih, jago emang nih orang pada.
Forging a legacy that shall echo through the ages.
Answer for your transgressions. Thank you. Divine will. Imperial Phoenix solo kill. No justice from my wrath. Control.
Iya, mati semua guys, itu loh.
A young empress must rest to rule wisely.
What a flicker ya guys ya, pas banget lo gua flicker bro. Gue udah tahu ada orang situ, gue pancing sengaja kan.
Legendary. Your team destroyed the turret.
Rule with strength and conviction. Blossom with grace and compassion.
Team destroyed the turret.
Flicker dia.
Divine will. Instant kill. Not ready. The Phoenix ready. Imperial Phoenix!
My strategy stands best for those I
Bolak-balik mulu gua, kambing emang.
Double kill!
Gelo Hanabi Inspire, god damn bro. Satu item lagi dia Trinity ya.
Divine will!
The throne is but a symbol. My right to rule transcends petty court squabbles.
Imperial Phoenix!
Ya, ngedes ke depan dia.
Not ready. Witness the wrath of the Imperial Phoenix! Instant kill! Legendary! Your team destroyed the turret!
At times I lay awake at night.
No justice!
Dia langsung di-flickerin guys.
Triple kill!
curious about what I'm looking at?
That's not important. What matters is what you see.
Ya udah guys, jadi mungkin cukup sampai di sini aja guys ya untuk live kali ini guys ya. Terima kasih banyak buat kalian yang udah nonton replay ya guys ya. Ya lumayan lah, menang berapa kali gua? Sekali ya, menang 2. Sampai jumpa di live selanjutnya. Semoga kalian panjang umur, sehat selalu, bahagia selalu, dan banyak rezekinya guys. Amin ya robbal alamin. Mohon maaf bila ada salah-salah kata guys. Bye bye. Thank you guys. Bye bye.